Alright, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be going to my friend's house. He's gonna be helping me install some pretty cool stuff. Civic's getting a bit of an upgrade. I don't have rear interior, but I do have cooler interior stuff. I have an SI gauge cluster, which is actually pretty sick. Pretty low miles, 86,000 miles. I think the only problem is the guy that sold it to me. He told me that the RPM gauge only works when it wants to, but he wasn't sure. He wasn't sure if it was this one or the other one, because he had another one, but he sold that one, and hopefully I got the good one. And another good thing, an AP1 S2000 steering wheel. This will look really sick in the Civic, and it's gonna be pretty exciting. Finally have some content for you guys. I've just been working a lot, and yeah, let's get started. So not only did I get these, not only did I get the steering wheel and gauge cluster, I also ordered a bunch of new parts for the Civic as well. I ended up selling my Enkeis, and I put on my SI wheels that I've had since since last year actually. I had them on my Integra, but then it fucking blew up. Yeah, so the EM1 SI wheels are on this now. Much more responsive, honestly, because they're alloys. I don't know what the material the Enkeis were made out of. They're much more like the car feels much lighter. It feels more responsive. Like, I know that's weird coming from just like wheels, but it honestly, if you were driving this, you would definitely feel the difference. Oh shit, it's the man himself. What's up, Jacob?
How you doing, bro?
Fuck, I haven't seen this kid in forever.
I know.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Jesus in person. This is nice.
I know, right? You see, I got the SI wheels on.
I know, I like those.
Yeah. All right, you want to see the goodies that we got?
Yeah.
AP1 S2000 steering wheel. It'll just bolt right in. And then picked this up last night. SI cluster.
Dude, that is sick.
Hopefully we can get the cluster in. I know for sure we can do the steering wheel. For sure the steering wheel. I don't know about the cluster because I don't do wiring. But it should just plug right in.
Hopefully. Disconnect the battery.
All right, first, Jacob, what do you drive?
I drive a 1991 Toyota Marquis.
Oh shit.
See a little bit ugly, but that's okay.
Oh.
White Sammy going.
Damn,
Smooth
dude.
like a baby bit.
Fuck. What do you got planned for her? Where are you gonna paint her?
Alright, so the whole body is gonna be a nice tan color. The mirrors and wing are gonna match the wheels, and then the roof's gonna be a gloss black. I got coilovers coming in the mail. They should be here sometime this week. Get her down a little low, get her out a little wide, and then get a little fancy boy on there.
God damn.
Yep.
Where did that country accent come from? I don't remember you having that in.
Good chance of
Oh, it's a cold start. Let's see. Oh, don't rev it on a cold start. Why? God damn, that's just loud. Oh man. Oh, dang. Damn, dude, that's just loud.
Yup.
Said that we should take out the gauge cluster first, and then because this gauge cluster is out of an automatic CRV. See, I don't drive auto. See, yeah. So we're gonna pop the cluster out, right?
Yeah, the same thing.
Yeah. All right, got the gauge cluster out. There it is, right there. So Jacob.
Easy peasy.
And then here is the SI one. I don't believe that they are even remote. Oh shit. Well, they might be the same.
Who? Did you unplug that?
Yeah.
Do you have a light that wasn't working?
I don't know. Honda. All right. Yeah, blue clips that went into each of these on the CRV cluster, so it should, in theory, just pop right in. So,
Maybe if you set it up this, line it up.
this is why I have you here.
Or should we take out the steering wheel first?
Oh shit! So we're gonna take out the steering wheel real quick. God damn it! Oh, but first, Jacob. Oh, here's a. Wait, come here. Yeah, Monster, please sponsor us. Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
I don't know which way is left.
Oh boy. Fuck. Jacob's a genius. Wait, no, never mind. It just fell off. Oh, he got it. Jacob's a fucking genius. Like I said, Monster sponsor us. Fuck, I can't fucking. Oh, tits. Oh, yeah. Was that a mosquito? God damn it. Am I really getting bit right now?
Deja vu occurs when you and your other self in another universe are doing the same thing at the same time. Did you get it?
Oh, fuck!
No, you didn't.
No, dude! Are you serious?
I only need to get that airbag off, right?
There it is.
Oh, that's what
Yes,
fell
that
in there.
actually fucking fell
I
in.
thought you meant just the bolt fell
No,
in there.
dude. No. There we go. Finally got the fucking airbag off.
Fucking Japs. I always gotta do this shit.
Yo, chill.
We should have great recording. Wait.
Oh,
There we
yeah.
go.
All right, nice. This is the steering bag. Or steering bag, airbag. God,
This is like a
God damn.
clip that's like supposed to be super easy to take off. All we had to do is push it down.
Okay, so from the videos that I've seen, this is a 19mm bolt. Big brain energy.
Big brain. Maybe?
Are you kidding me? God.
One second.
Oh my god. God damn. All just for a 19mm. Just for this. Oh shit, tits.
Don't want to be doing that.
I do not want to be doing that though. I'm gonna go over here. Yeah, that didn't help at all. Ha 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 ha. Come on.
Oh, careful.
Hold it.
Oh, there we go.
Come on. Come on, I can fucking feel it.
There we go. Come on. Why is it so tight?
That's what she said. Or that's what he said.
Are we tightening it?
I think we just fucking tightened it.
Did we?
Yeah, we tightened it. God damn it. Okay. Alright, we're watching a video.
Got it.
My god. Fucking big brain energy. Golly. Okay, so apparently we don't have to take off the entire thing. Just enough where we can take out the steering wheel itself. All right, so we finally got the stock steering wheel off. Jacob had the bright idea of putting WD-40 on that 19 millimeter. It's right there. Again, Monster sponsor us. Yeah, I like how we're doing all this just so we can put in a gauge cluster. And then we're gonna put the steering wheel in, which, yeah. We probably don't need to yet.
I mean, if it doesn't work, there's no point in putting it all back together.
So oh fuck, dude. Nice.
All the way to see it.
Oh, hopefully I got the good one. Let's try it. Dude, this is gonna be sick. Fuck yeah. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see. Oh, the lights work. Yes, they do. Oh my gosh. Nice. So, gauge cluster works. We just have to put it back in. Now, oh shit. Nice, dude. Oh my god, this is so clean. So clean.
So fresh, so clean.
Ooh. There we go. Fuck yeah, dude. Alright. Yes, it is. Looks a little off, just cause like, I think it is just different. Cause my okay, so this is a DX, so there's no cruise, there's no cruise control. I don't know if these harnesses.
Oh, let me see the other airbag. So. This is definitely the grenade. Dude. Nice. Wait, hold up. Yours has covers that cover these bolts?
Hell yeah.
When I did it, I had to punch through the leather.
What?
Yeah. Toyota seals it up.
That's why Hondas are cooler than Toyota. So. Oh shit, I don't think I can put these in because these are from, yeah, I can't put, god damn it. Well, it's cause, you know, this is for the stock one. Anyway, all right, let's fire her up. Fire her up. Oh god, dude, holy shit, this looks sick. Ah! Your neighbors probably hate me. All right, you ready? Nice, nice. Oh my gosh, look at that though. Look at the gauge cluster. See needle. Okay. Dude, look at that. Oh my god. Are the needles even on? It doesn't even look like it's on. Doesn't look like it's on. Wait, oh, it's because I have the fucking light off, of course. Oh! Let's see. Okay, I don't have a horn, but it's okay. It's okay. Dude, this is so sick. This is so... Oh my gosh, that looks so much cleaner. Oh my god, dude. Hell yeah. We are prepared. It only took us like almost 2 hours, but it's okay. But about an, oh my god, dude, it feels so good. All right, see, that's how she sits. Damn, Jacob. Maybe you should get a Honda, huh?
Probably be a lot more reliable.
See, RPM gauge only works when it wants to. Lights, god damn, dude. Woo. All thanks to this guy. Thanks, Jacob. Shout out to the homie Jacob. You guys better follow his Instagram. I'm gonna put his tags I'll somewhere in the video. But yeah, thanks again, Jacob. I'll see you see you another time.
All right, take care, my guy.
Remember. Oh wait, nah, I'll just leave that for the viewers to find out. You already know what I'm talking about. I hope.
All right, sweet.
I hope. All right, again.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Good night, Jacob.